Na 'n redelik suksesvolle 2012 seisoen as kaptein van die Stormers, handig Jean de Villiers die teels weer terug na Skalkburger vir 2013. Die Burger het met Stormers afrigter Alistair Coetzee gaan gesels oor die span se sterk leierskap.
Scott is resuming the captaincy for the 2013 season, split again. I'm happy with the way Jean has stood in as captain last year. He's been phenomenal. He's been really good for the team, and so much so that he's been a successful captain for the country. And we're just fortunate to have had leaders in the Stormers setup. Beside these two players, we've got Dion Fleury, who won a Currie Cup last year, and still Andries Becker, still Dwayne Vermeulen, Ryan Abena-Joani, who are all leaders. And with those guys also, you've got the two players on loan who are two Springboks in their right as well, and who are good leaders. So we're just blessed with leaders, and I'm really excited with the partnership of Jean and Scott leading the side for 2030.